If you work a job with shifts and overtime, you know this feeling all too well. Your paycheck is different every single time. One month I'm killing it, pulling 60-hour weeks and the money is great. The next, hours get cut and I'm just scraping by. I was constantly failing at budgeting, never sure if I was saving enough. That financial whiplash is just exhausting. You feel like you're working harder than ever and getting nowhere. My money was a total black box. I knew what went in, but had zero control over the flow. So I decided to try something different. I challenged an AI to build the perfect budget for someone like us, someone with a variable income. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain on the entire experiment. What the AI got wrong, what it got right, and the final spreadsheet it created that might just solve our biggest money problem. And yeah, I'm giving you the template for free. This isn't some generic corporate advice. This is for the warehouse floor. Let's get into it. For years, my budget was basically a work of fiction. I'd download a standard template, plug in some made-up average income, and just hope for the best. But our reality isn't average, is it? It's a roller coaster. 1 month peak season hits and the overtime is flowing. You feel like you're on top of the world. You think, finally I can get ahead. Hey, maybe you splurge a little thinking this is the new normal. Spoiler, it never is. The hours always slow down. Suddenly you're in a panic, shuffling money around, trying to plug holes. It's a stressful cycle that makes it impossible to plan for the future. The rent, the car payment, and the groceries, they cost exactly the same whether you work 30 hours or 60. You're always reacting, never planning. How are you supposed to save for a down payment or pay off debt when you have no earthly idea what you'll make next month? It's a trap. And let's talk expenses. Good steel-toed boots, $150. Uniforms, gas for that long warehouse commute, and those double shift meals, they add up fast. My money was a total black box. I knew what went in, but I had zero control. I needed a system built for our lives, not some predictable salary. So I turned to the tool everyone is talking about, ChatGPT. If this thing can write code, maybe it can solve a real world money problem. I sat down and gave it a very specific challenge. My goal wasn't just a budget, it was a strategy to break the paycheck cycle once and for all. Here's the first prompt. I told it, I'm a warehouse worker with a highly variable income. My base pay is $20, but my hours fluctuate between 40 and 60. I asked for a zero-based budget structure. It needed a baseline income from my lowest earnings and a separate way to handle overtime. And I even told it to add our specific categories like work gear. The AI's first shot was pretty good. It understood the problem, but it was still just a blueprint. Every dollar gets a job before the month starts. This concept is a total game changer for a regular income. It means your money doesn't just vanish. This is where AI shines. You can talk back to it. I followed up. Turn this into a table for Google Sheets. I need separate lines for base pay and overtime. I asked for a summary dashboard and a planned versus actual column. I needed to see exactly where I was slipping up. The AI spit out the perfect structure. It even gave me the formulas for the cells. It was like having a spreadsheet guru sitting right next to me in the break room. 24/7 help, no judgment. I opened a blank Google Sheet. I chose Sheets because it's free and I can pull it up on my phone while I'm on the clock or on a 15-minute break. I built it in 3 main sections, just like the AI suggested. Let's walk through exactly how this works so you can do the same. Section 1, the income tracker. This is the heart of the system. I didn't put my average income, I calculated my absolute worst case scenario. That's my baseline. If I only work 40 hours, that's what I budget with for my essentials. Everything above that is treated as a total bonus. Section 2, the zero-based budget allocator. This is where every dollar of that baseline income gets its job. I list my non-negotiable fixed expenses first. Then I move to variable essentials like groceries and gas. I give myself a realistic but tight allowance. After that, the remaining to allocate number must be 0. And we can't forget our specific warehouse costs. I set aside a little each month for work gear, so when my boots blow out, it's not a crisis. Section 3, the overtime allocation plan. This is what finally breaks the cycle. It's a dead simple if-then plan for every extra dollar I make. If my income is above my baseline, that cash doesn't just get accidentally spent. It already has a job assigned to it. This stops lifestyle creep. My priorities are clear. First, a $1,000 starter emergency fund. Second, I attack that high-interest credit card debt that's been hanging over me. Third, I build a full 3 to 6 month buffer. Finally, I save for a down payment. Every overtime hour turns directly into financial freedom. So, after a few hours of back and forth with an AI, here it is, the finished product, the ultimate budget for a warehouse worker. Right at the top is mission control. I can see my planned income versus actual. It tells me exactly how much cash flow I have for the month at a glance. Look at the income section, split into two lines, base and overtime. This forces me to see OT for what it is, an extra, not a guarantee. For every category, there's a planned and an actual column. Every weekend, I take 15 minutes, pull up my banking app, and fill in the actuals. This is the moment of truth. It shows me where my money is really going, not where I just thought it was going. No more guessing. The biggest change wasn't the numbers, it was the feeling. For the first time, I'm in the driver's seat. I don't dread a small paycheck anymore. I know my essentials are covered by my baseline, and I'm not guessing what to do with a big check. The stress has been replaced by calm. This isn't about restricting myself, it's about freedom. Every hour of hard work is building a future, not just getting me through the week. AI took something that felt complicated and made it simple and accessible. It's a powerful tool for your personal finances. I learned so much doing this. To recap, budget on your lowest income and have a strict, prioritized plan for any overtime pay. Turn unpredictable income into predictable progress. I've made the exact template we built today available for you, completely free. Link is in the description. My challenge to you, try it for 1 month. Let me know in the comments. Would you trust an AI with your budget? Thanks for watching. Build your dream, not theirs. Subscribe for more. Build your dream, don't let the system win. See you in the next one. Scissor money, cut the noise, keep the cash.